Welcome back to GGG English Learning channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. General art terms. Abstract, art that does not attempt to represent external reality but uses shapes, colors, and forms. Aesthetic, the philosophy or set of principles underlying the work of an artist or artistic movement. Composition, the arrangement of elements within a work of art. Medium, the material or technique used by an artist, e.g., oil paint, watercolor, clay. Palette, a surface for mixing paint or the range of colors used in a piece of art. Perspective, a technique for creating the illusion of three-dimensional depth on a two-dimensional surface. Texture, the way a surface feels or appears to feel in artwork, e.g., rough, smooth. Hue, the pure color or shade in its natural form. Form, the three-dimensional aspect of an object, e.g., sphere, cube. Contrast, the difference between elements, light versus dark, rough versus smooth, to create visual interest. Art movements and styles. Impressionism, an art style focusing on light and color to capture a moment, e.g., Monet. Surrealism, a movement focused on dreamlike, imaginative scenes, e.g., Dali. Cubism, a style that breaks down objects into geometric shapes, e.g., Picasso. Realism, art that represents subjects as they appear in real life. Expressionism, art that emphasizes emotional experience over reality. Minimalism, art characterized by simplicity and the use of a limited palette. Baroque, an ornate, dramatic art style of the 17th century. Renaissance, a period of art, 14th–17th century, emphasizing realism and humanism. Pop art, art inspired by popular culture and mass media, e.g., Andy Warhol. Futurism, art that emphasizes speed, technology, and modernity. Art techniques and tools. Chiaroscuro, the use of strong contrasts between light and dark. Fresco, a painting technique using water-based pigments on fresh plaster. Collage, art made by assembling different materials onto a surface. Etching, a printmaking technique using acid to carve a design into a metal plate. Glaze, a thin layer of transparent paint or a glossy ceramic coating. Impasto, thick, textured paint applied to a surface. Sketch, a rough, preliminary drawing. Stencil, a cutout template used to apply patterns. Gesso, a primer used to prepare surfaces for painting. Mosaic, art created by assembling small pieces of colored glass, stone, or tile. Art critique and analysis. Valence, a principle of design that arranges elements for visual stability. Focal point, the area of an artwork that draws the viewer's attention. Proportion, the relationship in size between different parts of an artwork. Symmetry, a balanced and mirrored arrangement of elements. Unity, the sense of cohesion or harmony in a work of art. Emphasis, special attention or importance given to a part of an artwork. Rhythm, a visual tempo or beat through repeated elements. Negative space, the empty areas around the subject of an artwork. Movement, the visual flow or direction guiding the viewer's eye. Pattern, a repeated decorative design. Art-related professions and places. Curator, a person who manages and oversees art collections. Gallery, a space for exhibiting and selling artwork. Atelier, an artist's studio or workshop. Conservator, a professional who preserves and restores artworks. Art critic, someone who evaluates and interprets works of art. Commission, a request for custom artwork from an artist. Exhibition, a public display of art pieces. Collector, someone who acquires and owns works of art. Installation, large-scale, mixed media works designed for a specific space. Docent, a museum guide who provides information about the artwork. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.